Hi, and welcome to a new Whimsy Stamps product reveal. Today I am sharing the adorable stamp set called Pumpkin Spice Pandas, and there are 6 stamps in this set. We have 3 sentiment stamps and 3 image stamps. Here they are stamped out in some black ink on white cardstock, and they are simply adorable. We have fall is in the air, everything pumpkin spice, pumpkin time. Our pandas, the whitest stamp is our panda with the donut, and it is 2.5 inches. And our tallest stamp is our little pumpkin panda, and he is almost 2.5 inches tall. Here is a card I made using that adorable panda with the pumpkin spice latte cup. If you want to check out everything that is new from Whimsy Stamps today, use those links down below in the description. Make sure you also join us on our social media and our Facebook group for even more inspiration. Thanks and happy shopping!